first up we have the rib and salami pizza with cheese and tomato. As you can see, the bases are nice and thin, so let's give this a go. It tastes really good. It's very good. Next up is the bacon chicken and feta. It has tomato again, and the sauce, let me just taste the sauce. It's like a honey mustard mayo kind of sauce. It's really tasty. So let's give that a go. That was also very tasty. Okay, next up is the bacon and biltong pizza. So let's give that a go. That was also very nice. My favorite one of the three is this one. The bacon, chicken, feta, and then this nice sauce that's on it. This is the best one. But overall, some of the best pizza you can get in Worcester. Thank you guys. See you soon. Bye.